Hi guys, this is the day 2 that we went to the forest again, and this day my auntie is here, my beautiful auntie. She carry my youngest son because my father is earlier went to the forest, so that me and my auntie is and kids, and because that's why we are late to go, because I wait for my eldest son wake up, because he wake up at 8 a.m. Maybe he's tired about yesterday. Kapot be. So this is my situation. I carry my eldest son because he don't want to walk. He's so lazy because he said he's tired. Ay, pagtabon ako mata. Man. Video. So I will cut the video. I will update to you later. Ouch! We need to relax first because it's so tired to going upstairs. It's because it's a very difficult way. So that you know, guys, that what I told you. The important is you finish your study. If you don't want to experience like this life, I struggle life. My auntie is tired, and I want to flex you the view here. Wow, nice view here and around. Nice blue sky and blue ocean. Ah. So guys, update, we are here. Ay, it's so tired. But it's ko na lang. There's a little bit of continuing, but it's uh, na lang easy to finish. I think it's until 1 p.m. we are finished, so that we went back home earlier. Ano kita? Sa So I will start. There's a here. A little bit of charcoal, but we need to finish. Look at a lot of charcoal. I think it is 20 sack already. Di. Di saan? Ito sa mo. Dara baso hatag siyan, baso kuya. Sige ra mo pasaway. Karong nak. Dia bigang kang. Dama na kagluto di pa. Ang damo nang da.
Kaon na tao, kaon.
Ano taklo ba? Ingiring taklo ba? Mungkas. Yay. Bila. Yay, mungkas na. Ano ba? Pakita ko dito. Saan ayaw? Ano sila ko lang na.
Pabalik ka guys. Kaon.
Tapi enggak usah kamu teman. Aman naman no? Maayo. Kwarta na. So we're done now. Finally. Finally we're done. Wake up na ang bata-ta. Okay. So we are finished to put it and all in the sack. Then my father only continuing to sewing this because this big charcoal is put it in the top and sew it the anything just we kuan cover this so tahi. I mean sewing on this one. We have 27 sack. Sige, padadaan talaga kape yo. Balik ni Papa yo. Kape Blanca. Guys, I promise to the old man that when my father back there here tomorrow, I will bought coffee for him. For those who have extra money like that, old man had need your help because he's so very poor because just like he don't have relatives to give financial and foods to him, so that I told him that when my father back here, I will buy some coffee for those who willing send him just like rice and grocery. I'm willing to accept and give to the old man. For those who willing only, I'm not forcing you because I'm so he's so poor. I'm so naawa ako ba, naawa. So we went back home now. Humana mo na? Aw, abi na ko na ron.
Padala lang at pakangalay.
Hi.